And you want to make sure that this absorbs properly for at least 1 to 2 hours before you go out into the sun for more than 15 minutes. And then it's going to be key to apply that same natural skin. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of lemon essential oil. The top selling doTERRA essential oil, lemon has multiple benefits and uses. Lemon is a powerful cleansing agent that purifies the air and surfaces and can be used as a non-toxic cleaner throughout your home. When added to water, lemon provides a refreshing and healthy boost throughout the day. Lemon is frequently added to food to enhance the flavor of desserts and main dishes. When taken internally, lemon provides cleansing and digestive benefits and supports healthy respiratory function. When diffused, lemon is very uplifting and energizing and has been shown to even help improve your mood. The top 3 uses of doTERRA's lemon essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of lemon essential oil are that it cleanses and purifies your body, the air, and surfaces, and promotes a more positive mood, because when you breathe it in, it goes into the limbic part of your brain, which controls your mood and emotions, so breathing it in is the fastest way to positively affect your mood. The directions for use are adding 20 drops of lemon, a half a cup of white vinegar to a 8-ounce spray bottle, glass is ideal, to clean surfaces, or you can add 1 to 2 drops to the palms of your hands and rub them together to clean them, or you can add 2 drops per 8 ounces of water to hydrate in the morning, and you're going to want to make sure to choose a glass, stainless steel, or ceramic mug container to make sure that there isn't any petrochemicals that leach from that. And then you're going to want to make sure to use a reverse osmosis, alkaline, or distilled water, and that to make sure that you're getting the right type of water in your body and it's more pure. And then lastly, if you do use this oil topically, you want to make sure to use some type of natural skin protection at least 30 minutes in advance. And then you want to make sure that when applying this topically, you use a fractionated coconut oil first to make sure it absorbs better into your skin. I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. This is a great carrier oil that helps it absorb better. It also helps to cover larger surface areas of your skin and also helps to reduce any chance of irritation from the essential oil. And you want to make sure that this absorbs properly for at least 1 to 2 hours before you go out into the sun for more than 15 minutes. And then it's going to be key to apply that same natural skin protection every time you sweat, swim, or shower. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, make sure to check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.